Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are installing another part on the STI. Kind of cleaning up this area right here. We got a new battery that's gonna go in there. It's a smaller battery, so it's gonna make it less room. It's gonna give it more room there and some weight reduction because the battery weighs a lot less than that one. And yeah, so I want to get rid of this. So been wanting to do this part for a while. I just never really wanted to yet. But yeah, finally gonna clean up this engine bay a little bit more with a better, cleaner looking battery there. And yeah, if there's any more things I want to do to STI is keep making it better and making it look nicer, especially the engine bay. So yeah, let's just go ahead and I'm gonna show you what I got. And this is what we got. We got a full throttle battery plus this mount right here. It looks pretty sick. Definitely gonna look a lot better in the engine bay than what we have out right now. So yeah, it's gonna clean it up. So let's just go ahead and install this. Looks simple enough. Let me just I gotta get all the old stuff off, and then I can put this new stuff in. First I gotta start by removing some of this intercooler stuff. Go ahead and remove this, the batteries terminals. Get the negative out of the way now too. All right, and then get these loosened up. Get rid of this crap. No one need that no more. I could just remove the battery now. I'm guessing I won't need this tray anymore, right? All right, let's go ahead and remove that bolt really quick. Get the 10mm. Oh my God. All right, and now we want to feed this little anchor screw thing. If I could just aim it right. All right. Put this washer and screw bolt through here. Like so. So I got this all set up too. They just want you to put the grounding screw in. All right, so let's just go ahead and put this in here. All right. Leave that there for now. Now I just gotta get this thing to line up right. All right, now that that's all tight, I can go ahead and grab my battery. All right, now we can go ahead and slide the battery in. Boom. And place this right here. All right, that's nice and tight. This battery ain't going nowhere. I just gotta put the terminals in. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that completes this easy install. Took a while because of those bolts are kind of hard to reach. But once you get in there and once you get the bolts in there, definitely looks good. It's held on there strong. It's not going anywhere. Now it's an empty space right here. But it looks good. I mean, overall it looks really nice. I might just add a sticker there or something cool right here, just to put on there. But yeah, the engine bay is really dirty, so I do gotta wash it. So bear with me on that. But overall, the install went great. And now just to turn on the car and see how well it turns on. Okay. All right, guys, well, there it is. Came out clean, looks good. Just gotta wash the whole engine bay because it is freaking dirty right now. But yeah, looks good. Definitely worked perfectly. Such a small size of a battery. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, even though as much as I want to move it around and stuff, but yeah. But yeah, let's just call it there. I'm gonna order some more paint, touch-up paint, just to paint the rusted areas there. I'm gonna scrub them off and then paint them just so they won't get more rusty. I think the old battery was causing that, so I don't know. It's just probably an infamous thing for Subarus to get the battery trays all rusted up. But yeah, overall, easy install, guys. Yeah, so I guess we'll see how long it lasts, how long this battery lasts compared to the generic ass AutoZone ones that I had. But I'm pretty sure this one is gonna outlast that one by a mile. So yeah. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this little install, and I can't wait to show you more for the STI and the WX. Just stay tuned to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.